Hello, I'm Maxime Couta, Managing Consultant and Manager for the delivery team of Seco Consultancy. Our goal in Seco Consultancy is to remove inefficiencies and improve productivity for manufacturers around the world. In today's manufacturing environment, we see many companies struggling with the high-mix, low-volume journey. This reduction of batch size and the increase of product diversity is creating a whole new set of challenges, such as longer lead times, keeping delivery promises, managing complex flows, and getting the most out of the machines. We, at Seco Tools, have been through this journey, growing from 3,000 to 30,000 products with a delivery performance of 96% today. We have capitalized on this experience to create the Manufacturing Efficiency Evaluation, a multi-layered evaluation of production performance structured around three core elements. First, the machining process. We will be able to identify overconsumption or misuse of tools, reasons for machine downtime, and the potential to increase machining performance. We will also analyze the tool life cycle to identify how to optimize tool management to free up time for operators and increase uptime for machines. Then we have the manufacturing system, how value is added to product from a customer perspective. Our process looks at the whole production. This encompasses machine productivity, organization, flows, lead time, on-time delivery, and planning. Finally, the manufacturing environment. We will identify potential barriers to change in the organization as well as how people feel and behave. We will then assess the maturity of the workshop from an operational excellence perspective. So how you set rhythm and pace in the organization. This evaluation is performed by several of our consultants over a week-long intensive series of meetings and observations. By the end of the week, we deliver a comprehensive report giving a picture of the performance of the workshop. You will know where the quick wins are, where and how to start, and how much you can save. If you want your workshop to take the next step in industrial performance, contact us.